Hi everyone, I am Anamika, your educator. Linear equation is one of the most important chapter in the board exam. In generally, there are two types of questions it can become in the exam. One is there is a simple equation, one line equation, uh, and there are two variable also come, and just as that x is equal to 4y. You put the values and put the values in the graph paper. This is one of the easiest questions. And another one, you solve the linear equation and find out the value of the x and y, means two variable. In that cases, there are two equation. They give you two equations, and from the two equation you solve and find out the value of x and y. There are lots of process, but today our focus is only elimination method. What is the elimination method? Look, in the equation there are two variables. One is x and one is y. There are two variables. Elimination method. What is the elimination method? Elimination method, we eliminate any one variable and find out the another values. Okay. So in that cases, what you are doing? This is the number one equation and this is the number two equation. For the elimination, you must multiply. Why I must multiply the numbers? Look, that is 3 and that is 2. If you multiply first equation by 2, then it is a 6x, and if it is multiplied the second equation by 3, it is also 6x. If the value of one variable the same, then you can eliminate one variable. So just first you multiply it. So I write multiply 2 multiply 3. What's the result? Multiply 2. The result is 6x plus 4y equal to 12. You multiply it by 2. 6x plus 1. Next, multiply the second equation by 3. It is also 6x minus 9y equal to 51. Look, now we multiplied x. X variable want to eliminate. But what things? Here there is plus 6x, here there is also plus 6x. How can I eliminate? It's not possible. So in that cases, you just change the sign. If there is plus, you make it minus, and you do fool the math. Take the new sign. There is minus means plus, there is plus means minus. Clear? It is eliminated. This one and this one plus. The new sign is plus 9. So 9 plus 4, 13. Y. And this one is for 51. 51 minus 12, it is 9 and 39. 39. Clear? Okay. Now you find out the value of y. Y is equal to 39 by 13. It is 3. Y is equal to 3. Now you find out one variable value. Then what's the second step? Second step, put the value of y in the first equation. What's our first equation? In that cases, what is your original? You just put the value on that equation. It is our original equation. What is our original equal to? 3x plus 2 into 3. And one more thing, that is one minus is coming because 51 is minus. So minus 3 is equal to 6. Then 3x minus 6, 6. 3x is equal to 6 plus 6, 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 3 is equal to 4. Okay. Then what's our answer? Our answer, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 3. Okay. Is it clear? Now, we will check the next math. In the math, you check that is a not a normal equation, it is a fractions. So, in that cases, what you are doing? First, you make it the simple equation. There is x by 2, y by 2. First, you take 2 and 3 LCM. The LCM is 6. So, you multiply it by the into 6. So, x by 2 into 6, x by 2 into 6 plus y by 3 into 6, 8 into 6. Make it simple. This is 3, this is 2. 3x plus 2y is equal to 48. Okay. Now, second equation. There is a 4 and there is a 1. 4 and 1 LCM means 4. So, you multiply full equation by 4. So, 5x by 4 into 4 minus 3y into 4 minus 3 into 4. Make it simple. That is 5x minus 12y minus 12. Now you follow the previous rule. First you mark it. This is 1 number equation and this is 2 number equation. Look, here there is 3 is before x and there is x before 5. So what you are doing? You multiply this one with 5 and this one with 3. Clear? What I am telling in the previous maths? Just you crosswise multiplication do. First upon first number equations, a value of the x, what is before the number of the x, the same things you multiply. So you do the same things. 15x minus plus 10y, this one 240. Okay, 240. Next one is multiplied by 3. It is 15x minus 36y minus 36. Now what I am telling? If it is normally cancelled, no problem. If it is not cancelled, sign change. That is plus, then minus, minus, then plus. This is minus, then plus. This is cancelled. 36 plus 10 means 46y, and there is a big number, so there is a plus, so I do not write anything. And this is 276. What's the value of this one? 276 by 46. It is 6. Y is equal to 6. Y का value हम लोग को आ गया. अभी now what you are doing? You go to the next step. You put the value of y in the first equation. First equation you can put here, but I am telling do not put in the fraction method. You put what is a simple way. You put the value on that equation. It is easy for the calculation. Now I write put the value of y in number 1 equation. Now put the value. This is 3x, okay, plus 2 into y is 6 is equal to 48. Then 3x plus 12 equal to 48. 3x is equal to 48 minus 12. 3x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 by 3. 1 by 2, 12. X is equal to 12. Then what's our answer? X is equal to 12 and y is equal to 6. This is our answer. If you understand and if you practice only these two type of maths for elimination, hope you can understand. You can do all type of equations in the elimination method. Thanks everybody who watch my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.